My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Hyundai i30. This vehicle has done just over 37,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and our start-stop. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, using the buttons on the left, we can access radio and media. On the right, we have map, navigation, Apple CarPlay and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below, we have our dual zone climate control, heated seats on either side, heated steering wheel, and two different driving modes to choose from, Eco and Sport mode. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather interior and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.